Stop your scroll, because this is the home you've been looking for. Alvaton is one of South Central Kentucky's most desirable communities, and for good reason. And this home has Alvaton location with Allen County tax savings. Alvaton is one of the most sought-after communities in South Central Kentucky for good reason. It is home to a 174-acre Fillmore Park featuring sports fields, walking trails, and kayaking on Drakes Creek. Surrounded by beautiful rolling farmland and estate-sized lots, Alvaton is a perfect blend of peaceful country living and modern convenience. Located in the highly sought-after Alvaton community, this 2,000-plus square foot custom-crafted modular estate delivers high-end finishes, incredible setting, at an unbeatable value. Inside, sophistication takes a center stage, from an open concept living area to a stunning wood-burning fireplace which can easily convert to gas for convenience. Love to cook? This dream kitchen is designed to impress, featuring tons of countertop space and cabinet storage, a show-stopping range hood, an oversized island, perfect for family gatherings and entertaining guests. With 3 large bedrooms and 2 beautifully designed bathrooms, this home is perfect for those looking for space and elegance. And when it's time to unwind, escape to your private retreat, a spacious and luxurious ensuite bath that would rival even the homes in local gated communities. Enjoy an oversized tile shower, deep soaking tub, double vanity, and a walk-in closet designed to impress with built-in storage space. Step outside and the luxury continues. An oversized entertaining space with a dedicated grilling gazebo, breathtaking views of rolling countryside, your own private paradise just minutes from Bowling Green. Luxury, space, energy efficiency. This home is the trifecta. Schedule your tour today before this one-of-a-kind opportunity is gone.